dinner plane. They do breakfast as well, and we've just had that. And now we're going to walk to Mount Hotham, 11 kilometres. Beautiful trees, look at those. 11k, how we go?
We're very happy. First day, it's been a long time. We've got French Provence.
Yeah.
Well done.
This is a little tour of dinner plane.
So aside from the hotel, presumably you can rent some of the...
Houses could be different designs, but had to be the same colour.
They've got a similarity, but they're different.
Yeah.
And because this is weather. So is it,
Look at that. I think I found a Lagotto. This was once owned by Graham, who was leading our walking group. And on the back, we're in the backyard. Now we're off on our 11.5 kilometres. So we've come across the first of our mountain huts. Oh, I don't remember being here, but here anyway. There we are. This is the interior.
It's snugly on the base.
Few emergency rations.
but I would normally, I'll pole up the hill. I would normally pole up the hill and use my arms instead of my legs.
We're kind of almost halfway.
Sometimes things don't work out, so you don't feel the obligation necessarily to stay there and get it sorted.
No.
You can go home. Whereas at work, at home, I feel a bit guilty, like I'm not doing anything. So but it's only a little downhill.
Well, we've been going 8 kilometres now, and everyone's been reduced to a shadow. Too late. Almost there. Oh, we're back all the way to Mount Hotham. General stores at the other end of that. 12 kilometres. Amazing.
Okay, ready?
12 kilometres.
Cheers. We've done first walk in a long time.
I can't hold it.
That's alright. So we're heading towards the second highest mountain in Victoria. Here's the selfie, today's selfie.
Okay, and I'll get one of you, Lynn. You hop in.
It's 12 kilometres to there and 12 kilometres back if we make it. So here's the intrepid party heading off. Almost there. Could be about our last strand of trees.
Yep.
There we are. Here we are, very This is a South Col.
Wild celery. I don't know what you call that, what the proper name is.
First rest stop down there.
That stage as a teenager, she didn't want to be without her hair dryer. Hair straightener. And now she...
Closing in on it. Maybe we're about, oh no, maybe an hour and a half from the summit. Well, maybe we're going to have lunch soon and then we'll keep going. That's it, just up there. Making the final push now. There's Peter way up there on the summit already. One of the highest people in Victoria. 200 meters to go. Dave's almost at the summit now. Yes, so Dave's about to go like walking along the summit ridge now. Trying to, Sir Edmund's already there. Wow. Only 3.5 minutes to go now.
Girl said it was like this, remember? She said it was that.
Well, here we are. Second highest mountain in Victoria, 4th highest in the world. Well, I just exaggerate, but my audience is very gullible. So here's the hut that was first here about 50 years ago. The hut closest to the top of Mount Feathertop. Quite a few wildflowers just in this little bit. Trouble is it's so tired we can't appreciate them. So there's this little patch of wildflowers. The hut I was just of, you can kind of see it now, maybe middle of frame in the distance, bit of yellow. And then we've come all the way from the summit over there, maybe 3 hours before we can get back to civilization. More wildflowers. Another good bit. Can we make it? More wildflowers. Well, I don't know, maybe only 7k to go now. The weather's holding up. Just beyond the hill, the rest of the party having ginger beer and something or other. Remember this on the way up, there's a nice bit of red patch of red. Well, that's where we were about 2 hours ago. One of the first of the daisies. Oh, that was a near miss. Slide away a bit more. Can we get back before the storm? We've done about 20k today now. Maybe just 1 to go. Well, there are the cars in the distance, and here we are. Oh, well, where's the ambulance we ordered? It's up there. Whew. There it is, way in the distance. Amazing. Well, we all survived yesterday, and today's today, and we're going 5 kilometres to Tabletop Mountain. didn't expect to see an emu up here. Heading off to this sort of country. So this used to be a cattle corral. Used to have cattle up here.
And a lovely shot lined up of you kneeling in a bog.
I'm still kneeling in the box.
Going back?
Well, we're going to
So now we're heading down.
hi ho, hi ho.
And then some of them are going to the edge.
Looking up, hurry up.
So we've got to get down to the creek, then up to there. Maybe halfway down the hill now.
That's a very dead. On the right. Used to be a name.
That one, big obstacle. Over on that one. Hop over. It's like being caved.
Windy road ahead.
Spading the moss.
But I imagine
So that's why cattle are banned now.
but they seem to. Are they?
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen any standalone.
No, extraordinary.
Nearly.
I think we've discovered a new species. Look, a new. 15 minutes to go. So the distant hill is where we started to drop down. Wow, someone's put a huge rock up near the top. We're going up the north face. We're above the rocks down, we're about to go to the edge. Heading for the edge to see what we can see. Looking north now and way in the distance. Looking back to the south.
Range.
Way in the distance, looking into New South Wales, Kosciuszko. About to have lunch, and this is the way back. Peter and I are just going to try and find the real summit. It's all very flat up here.
Yeah, adoringly at the.
Beautiful. Here's the actual top bit. Heading home now. One of the runny rocky escarpments. Passing the new species again. It's been caught in a terrible storm. Last stop before civilization. Almost at the road. Just can we?
Go across the water crossing here.
I think we're going to make it. We're on our last legs and we found a hut. Thank goodness for that.
Remote working.
Remote, yes, remote working.
Another one out here. Over here.
So what was your lady that brings around the cakes?
Okay.
I mean, I'm like that if I listen to conversations and I sidetrack
A few more snaps of their workstation. Very productive afternoon.
Where do we go?
Where we used to do.
The Tabletop Mountain. So welcome.